Alright, so we're out here on Lovejoy, a little lake about 80 acres, and we're out with Brody. And what do you want?
Coke.
Coke? Okay, we'll have a little treat of Coke, and we're out with Miss Livy. Hi. And Sally. And we might even actually get a suntan today. Suntan and Brody, yeah. That's right, make your brother do the work. Sit back and relax.
You see, told you at the mountain, something happened to this, there's this split set and this store, I will sleep at day and I will wake up at night. So one of these things, this was sun on the way. So Torture and Frogs don't live on snow. So they get too heavy. So this bit setting of so the machine is not home. Nobody's home. Nobody's home. Nobody's home. Nobody's home. And nobody's home. And nobody's home. And so we're in our house. So we're out right. So which is 10.